Hello everybody, this is Nasif Arjon from Tutorism, and in this video we will show you how you can create a Facebook business page. And if you like my content, please hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell and share the video if you like it. And also check out my social platforms. Yeah, I have Instagram and I also have a Facebook page, so Tutorism, so you should check it out. And let's get right into the video. Hello everybody, this is Nasif Arjon from Tutorism, and let's start the tutorial. So we are going to divide this video in two parts. The first part is going to be how to create a Facebook page, and after creating your Facebook page we'll go to the second part, which is customizing your Facebook page. So first we need to open our browser, and in the browser type Facebook. After typing Facebook, you can see right here there is the link. Click on the link and then log in. After logging in, we will see your timeline. You can see right here, and go to the bottom left corner right here in the page image section. Click on the section, and after creating on here, click on this button, create new page, and it will show you something like this. And this is the preview of your page after you edit, and the editing will appear here, the desktop view and the mobile view. Okay, and now let's give our page a name. You can see right here, this will be our page name. So I will just name our page Tutorism, and then you're gonna have to give a category to this as your what is your page related to it. So my page is a educational page, so I'll use education, then education website, and then tutorial. Is there any option? Like, no, there is no option. Then we write like study. You have to find what is the most matching with your page. So I'll just put this, that education and education website. Let's see if there is YouTube. Yeah, we are a blogger, so I'll give this blogger. You can choose as many as you want. You can choose up to 3. Here you can see right here, and then you write a fairly brief description about your page. I'll just write, this is an educational website. I will post tutorial videos on this page. My name is Nasif Arjon. You can write whatever you want. You can write 255 words, and you can see right here, as we put our name here, the preview is showing us how will our page look like. You can see test tutorism, the education category, and our description right here. And let's create the page. So after creating the page, now we'll go to step number 2, which is customizing your page. So here they are telling us to add a profile picture and add a cover photo. This right here is the profile picture, and this right here is the cover photo. So after that, you will drag your profile picture here. I will drag my logo right here. Wait. I'll just put a old logo in here. You can see right here, after I put my profile picture, the profile picture has been updated, and also a cover photo. So I'll add a cover photo. I'm finding it. Please wait. Yeah, found one. So after publishing your cover photo here, you can see right here, the cover photo will update right here. Let's give it a few minutes to load in, and you can see after I posted my cover photo, the cover photo has been updated. You can reposition by dragging it. So let's just reposition. You can see right here, go and hover your cursor over here and just reposition it. I'll just leave it like this, and after that your page is almost done. Then click the save button. You can give whatever you want as your profile picture, and it has to be based on your business page. Okay, and now here you can see that it's telling us to connect our WhatsApp to our Facebook page. You can also connect your WhatsApp, but I will not connect my WhatsApp, so I will just cross it here and press leave. So this is what your page is gonna look like after creating. So this is the menu option. Here you can manage your page. So there are different type of options, but what you have to do to complete your page is you have to enter these informations. So what I will go do is edit page info and go to here and fill out what they are wanting. You can update the description if you want anytime, and there is a contact number. Then put down your phone number here, and if you don't want to put down your phone number, then click to this option, my page doesn't have a phone number. Also, if you don't want to give a WhatsApp number, then click my page doesn't have a WhatsApp number and disconnect. After that you have to give an email address. I will just give this an email address. It can be anything you like, your email address. And if you have a website, then you will just write it down here. I'll give HTTPS. Yeah, I have given my Facebook page right here, you can see. Yeah, and then let's go to yeah, and then you can add your location. If you have a location based business, then you can add your address, but I will not give my page a address, so I will click on this option. And also these are the additional location details. You can do this if you want, but I'll not do this. Like, there's a simple question: does your page have a physical location that customers can visit? No, because my page is an educational site, and if your page does have a physical location, then you can click on the yes. Does your page travel to its customers? If you give food delivery to you, then you will click yes, or then no. I'll just no. And can customers buy your goods or service online? Yes. You can sell merches, etc. There's a service area. I'll give it my country. And Dhaka division, Bangladesh. And hours is when your business page is open. I'll click it to always open. If your business is permanently closed, then click here, or open during selected hours. Then you can put down your Monday, Tuesday time as you wish. I will just click it as always open. Temporary service changes, open with service changes, temporarily closed. If you temporarily closed your page, then you can just click on the temporarily closed. And there are other more information. If you have a privacy policy, then you can just paste the link here. And also if you have products, then you can add the product names. You can add 2000 characters and some additional info, like my name. Sorry for the grammar. As you wish, just some description. You can add 50,000 characters as shown below. And if you have a business shop, then you can set a price range, like if your things are cheap or moderate or expensive or very expensive, or you do not want to specify a amount. It's totally up to you. I'll give it moderate because I'll be selling merch here. Just kidding. And if you like this content, then you should check out my social platforms. I have Instagram, Twitch stream, and also a Facebook page named Tutorizen. You can like the page if you like. And if you like my video, then hit the subscribe button, press the notification and bell, and share the video. Okay, and if you have other accounts like Instagram, you can give like your Instagram name, and then you can add whatever you want. Like there are many options: YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, WhatsApp, as you like, and as many as you like. And after that, yeah, it's done. And then we go to settings. This is the settings option. You can change your privacy, your general settings, your messaging settings, like people message you and how you are going to reply them. There are many settings, but I will not specify every settings in this video because it will take like an hour. So yeah, I'll be posting some tutorials like Facebook page tutorials part by part, and I will be creating a playlist, so make sure to check it out. Okay, and let's go to our page now, home page. As you can see, after I updated my information, the informations have gathered here. It will gather here like education, my Instagram account, and 0 people follow this, but after your follow reach, the number is right here. And yeah, that was it, guys. And I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and share the video, and see you again next time. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and share the video. And I have opened a Twitch stream. I stream every Friday, Sunday, and Tuesday. And if you like my content, then let me know. And is there anything that I can do to improve my videos? Always let me know in the comments. See you again next time.